What if I told you that in 2026, you can own a genuinely luxurious home? Not a cramped box, not a glorified shed, but a real designer home with high-end finishes, smart technology, and stunning architecture for under $70,000. Most people think tiny homes mean sacrifice. They think you give up style, space, and comfort just to save money. But the 10 designs I'm about to show you will completely destroy that assumption. Some of these homes have floor-to-ceiling glass walls. Some have rooftop decks. One has a loft bedroom that will make your jaw drop. And every single one comes in under $70,000 in 2026. Stay with me all the way to number 1, because that design alone is worth your full attention today. Before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is your honest guide to affordable home design. We don't take money from builders, and we don't sugarcoat costs. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now let's get into it. Why luxury tiny homes are booming. In 2026, tiny homes are no longer just a trend for minimalists and off-grid dreamers. In 2026, the tiny home industry has matured in a serious way. Factory-built precision, better insulation standards under the updated 2026 IRC energy codes, and a surge in prefab manufacturers competing for buyers have all pushed quality up while keeping prices surprisingly accessible. The average cost of a new site-built home in the US has climbed past $420,000. That reality is pushing a growing number of buyers, especially first-time homeowners and retirees, toward high-design tiny homes as a legitimate primary residence. What has changed is the design language. These are not the rustic cabin kits from a decade ago. We are talking architect-designed shells, open-plan layouts, premium cladding options, and smart home integration, all under 400 square feet and under $70,000. The catch? There are a few, and I will be honest with you about them as we go. Let's count down. Design 10, the Alpine Shed Roof Studio. Kicking things off at number 10 is what designers in 2026 are calling the Alpine Shed Roof Studio. This is a single-slope roofline design that creates dramatic ceiling height on one side, usually the living area, while keeping construction costs down with a simple roof structure. Most versions come in around 240 to 320 square feet and are priced between $48,000 and $65,000 depending on cladding and interior finish level. The appeal here is the oversized clerestory windows that run along the high wall, flooding the interior with natural light without sacrificing wall insulation on the lower side. Several manufacturers, including those offering THOW-certified builds, are now producing this style with pre-wired smart panels compatible with solar battery systems. The honest caveat, most quotes you will see at the lower end of that price range do not include delivery, site prep, or utility hookups, which can add $8,000 to $20,000 depending on your location. Always ask for a fully landed price before you commit. Up next, design number 9 takes the shed roof concept and flips it into something that actually won a design award in early 2026, and you are going to want to see why. Design 9. The Glass Gable Prefab number 9 is the Glass Gable Prefab, and this one earned serious recognition at the 2026 Affordable Architecture Symposium. The defining feature is a full-width gable-end glass wall, floor-to-ceiling, that opens the main living space to an outdoor view in a way that makes the interior feel twice its actual size. These units typically run 280 to 350 square feet. Base pricing from leading manufacturers sits between $55,000 and $68,000. The structural system uses engineered timber framing with SIP panels, which gives excellent thermal performance and meets the 2026 Energy Code requirements without additional upgrades. Interior layouts are highly optimized. A Murphy bed system integrated into a millwork wall frees up the daytime living space, and the kitchen is usually a galley style tucked against the solid side wall. The honest note, the all-glass gable wall is stunning, but it creates a heat gain issue in warmer climates. If you are building in Texas, Arizona, or Florida, you will need to budget for high-performance glazing or solar shading, which can add $3,000 to $6,000. But number 8 is where things get really interesting, because this design actually solves the land access problem that stops most tiny home buyers before they even start. Design 8. The Container Hybrid Loft Home Design number 8 is the Container Hybrid Loft Home. This is not a basic shipping container conversion. What is happening in 2026 is a hybrid approach where one or two ISO containers form the structural backbone and lower floor, and a conventionally framed upper loft level is built on top. The result is a two-level micro home that can hit 380 to 420 square feet of usable space, with a dedicated sleeping loft that genuinely functions as a separate bedroom. Pricing for a well-executed version runs from $58,000 to $69,000 for the structure, and the container base makes it easier to place on challenging or uneven terrain, which is why this design appeals to buyers with rural or slope-heavy lots. Several suppliers in 2026 are offering turnkey container hybrid builds with reclaimed wood interior cladding, mini-split HVAC, and a composting toilet option for off-grid use. The honest reality, container homes require a licensed structural engineer to sign off in most U.S. counties, and not all jurisdictions permit them as permanent residences. That permitting research is something you need to do before you fall in love with the design. Design number 7 is one that keeps showing up in the comments on this channel, and I think you will see why the minute I describe it. Design 7. The modern barn-dominium studio number 7 is the modern barn-dominium studio, a scaled-down version of the full barn-dominium concept that has dominated the affordable home conversation for the past 2 years. At the tiny home scale, this is a steel-framed structure with board and batten or metal panel exterior, a soaring interior roofline, and a loft sleeping area accessed by a ship's ladder or open steel staircase. The aesthetic is industrial meets rustic, and it photographs beautifully. Square footage typically lands between 320 and 400 square feet. Pricing in 2026 sits between $52,000 and $67,000, depending on the steel package and finish level. The energy performance on these is excellent because the steel frame combined with spray foam insulation gives you an airtight envelope, which matters even more under the updated 2026 IRC requirements for small structures. What I will be honest about: the loft sleeping area in most of these designs has limited headroom because of the roofline geometry. If you are over 6 feet tall or have mobility concerns, the loft layout may not work for your lifestyle. Some manufacturers offer a ground floor bedroom variant, but it compresses the living area noticeably. Stay with me because design number 6 is the one that surprised me the most while researching this video, and it comes with a feature I genuinely did not expect at this price point. Design 6. The Rooftop Deck Flat Roof Cube. Design number 6 is the Rooftop Deck Flat Roof Cube, and yes, a functional rooftop deck under $70,000 is real in 2026. This design uses a fully flat TPO or EPDM roof membrane over a structural deck, with a rooftop terrace that serves as the primary outdoor living space. The footprint is usually compact, around 200 to 280 square feet on each level, and the interior is a clean, minimal open-plan living and sleeping space. The rooftop effectively doubles your usable square footage without increasing your land footprint. Base pricing runs from $60,000 to $69,500. Several ADU-focused manufacturers are now producing this as a fully permitted accessory dwelling unit design, making it attractive for homeowners looking to add income-generating space to an existing property. The 2026 ADU permitting reforms in states like California, Oregon, Washington, and Colorado have made this significantly easier than it was even 2 years ago. The honest caveat: a flat roof requires more maintenance than a pitched roof and should be inspected annually to prevent water intrusion. Budget for that as an ongoing ownership cost. Number 5 is where we start crossing into designs that genuinely look like they cost 3 times the price, and the story behind how they stay under $70,000 is fascinating. Design 5. The Black Box Cedar-Clad Retreat. Number 5 is the Black Box Cedar-Clad Retreat. This is one of the most visually striking tiny home designs of 2026. The exterior is charred or dark-stained cedar cladding over a simple rectangular volume, giving it a dramatic, almost gallery-like appearance that looks far more expensive than it actually is. The visual impact comes almost entirely from the cladding material and the precision of the detailing, not from structural complexity, which is exactly why the build cost stays manageable. Interior square footage is typically 280 to 360 square feet. Pricing sits between $54,000 and $67,000. The charred wood technique, known as shosugi-ban, is a Japanese preservation method that actually increases the durability and weather resistance of the wood, so the aesthetic choice is also a practical one. Interiors in this design lean heavily into the contrast between the dark exterior and light interior, with white oak or maple millwork, concrete counters, and large pivot-style entry doors. The honest note, Shosugi band cladding needs to be sourced from a reputable supplier and installed correctly. Cheap imitations painted to look charred will not perform the same way. Always ask your builder specifically whether they are using true heat-treated finish or a painted alternative. Design number 4 directly addresses the biggest complaint people have about tiny homes, and once you hear the solution, you will wonder why it took this long. Design 4, the connected twin module home number 4, is what manufacturers are calling the connected twin module home. This design takes 2 compact modules, each between 160 and 200 square feet, and connects them with a glazed link corridor or a covered outdoor breezeway. The result is a home that functions with defined zones. One module for sleeping and bathing, the other for living and cooking. The separation solves the open-plan everything problem that makes traditional tiny homes feel like you are always in the same room. Total footprint runs between 380 and 450 square feet. Pricing for the full connected system in 2026 runs between $61,000 and $69,000 from manufacturers specializing in modular ADU and tiny home builds. The link corridor is typically low cost to construct and adds thermal mass if glazed properly. The honest reality, this design requires more lot width than a single-unit tiny home. If your lot is narrow or has strict setback requirements, the side-by-side module layout may not be feasible. A front-to-back configuration exists, but is less common. Number 3 is one that generates the most questions in my comments section, and it is also the design that is seeing the most buyer interest across the US and Canada in 2026. Design 3. The Scandinavian Minimal A-Frame Design number 3 is the Scandinavian Minimal A-Frame. The A-Frame has had a full design revival in 2026, stripped of all the kitschy elements from earlier decades and rebuilt as a genuinely modern, high-performance structure. The steep roofline doubles as the wall structure, which reduces framing costs, and when properly insulated with mineral wool bats as required under 2026 Energy Code updates, it delivers exceptional cold climate performance. Interior square footage is typically between 300 and 380 square feet across 1 or 2 levels. The loft level under the peak becomes the sleeping area, and the lower level has full ceiling height for the living and kitchen zones. Pricing from Prefab A-frame suppliers in 2026 runs between $49,000 and $66,000. The white painted shiplap interior, exposed timber ridge beam, and large triangular front window are the hallmarks of this design, and they create a genuinely beautiful space that appeals to a wide range of buyers. The honest caveat: A-frames have significant wall space that tapers toward the eaves, which limits furniture placement. You will need to plan your layout carefully and avoid large vertical furniture pieces along the sloping wall sections. Design number 2 is the one I have been most excited to get to in this video, and it has a feature that is genuinely rare at any price point in the tiny home category. Design 2, the Courtyard Garden Micro Home number 2, is the Courtyard Garden Micro Home. This is a U-shaped or L-shaped single-story tiny home that wraps around a small private courtyard, typically 12 by 12 to 16 by 16 feet. The courtyard becomes the de facto outdoor living room for fair weather months, connected to the interior through large sliding glass or folding panel doors that disappear into the wall. The result is a home that genuinely blurs the line between inside and outside in a way that larger homes usually struggle to achieve. Interior square footage is between 280 and 350 square feet, but with the courtyard counted as functional space, the livable footprint feels well over 500 square feet in good weather. Pricing in 2026 runs between $58,000 and $69,500. The design requires a wider lot than a linear tiny home layout, and the roofline needs careful detailing to ensure the courtyard drains properly. This is also one of the best designs for a primary residence, because the interior privacy and spatial separation feel much closer to a conventional home lifestyle. Before we get to number 1, I want to be upfront with you. The home I am about to describe has a waiting list with several manufacturers right now in 2026, and the reason will be completely clear the moment I describe it. Design 1. The Passive House Certified Glass and Timber Pavilion number 1 is the Passive House Certified Glass and Timber Pavilion, and this is the design setting the standard for what a luxury tiny home can be in 2026. This is a fully Passive House certified structure, meeting the rigorous FIAS performance standards, meaning it uses up to 90% less heating and cooling energy than a conventional home. The structure uses cross-laminated timber panels for the walls and floor, triple-glazed floor-to-ceiling windows on the primary facade, and a highly insulated roofline with integrated heat recovery ventilation. The interior is between 320 and 380 square feet and is finished with architect-specified materials: white oak floors, exposed CLT ceiling panels, concrete kitchen counters, and a custom steel staircase to the sleeping loft. The total build cost in 2026 sits between $64,000 and $69,800, depending on the glazing specification and the FIAS certification pathway your builder takes. The ongoing energy cost is near zero in mild climates, and in cold climates, the annual heating bill for many owners is under $200 per year. The honest note: Passive House certification requires a certified builder and a third-party energy rater, which adds approximately $2,500 to $4,000 to the process. But over 10 years of ownership, the energy savings typically far outweigh that upfront cost. This earns the number 1 spot not just for how it looks, but for how intelligently it performs over its entire lifetime. So there you have it, 10 genuinely luxurious tiny home designs that are achievable under $70,000 in 2026. The designs I have shown you today range from the dramatic black box cedar-clad retreat to the performance-focused Passive House Pavilion, and every single one of them proves that affordable does not have to mean compromised. The most important thing I want you to take away is this: always ask for the fully landed cost, not just the base build price. Site prep, delivery, foundation, utility connections, and permitting can add anywhere from $10,000 to $35,000 to any of these designs depending on your location. Get that full number before you fall in love with a design, and you will make a far smarter decision. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button because it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are trying to make smart housing decisions. Subscribe if you have not already. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 10 designs is your favorite. And check out the video on screen right now where I break down the full cost of building a barn dominium under $90,000. I will see you in the next one.